Mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. हाँ. हाँ yes चलो ठीक. Okay. हाँ now mute the microphone. Yes mute the microphone. अरे my dear mute the microphone. Example. अरे mute the microphone. Otherwise I will remove. I have to remove them. Mute the microphone, otherwise you will compel me to remove, my dear. Now let us multiply. It is 0.5 into 0.2. Okay. What is my multiplicand? Tell me. 0.5. Multiplier 0.2. Okay. Now let us multiply. Let us multiply. See. 0.5, 0.5. I have to multiply 0.2. So while multiplication, we remove the decimal. So 2 5s are 10. Then 1 is carried 2 0 0 1. Then 0 5s are 0 0 0 0. Answer is 0 1 0. Okay. Now we have to place the decimal in the. We have to place the decimal in the product. We have. Wait, my dear. Wait. See here. Now number of decimal places in the product is equal to sum of decimal of multiplicand and decimal of multiplier. How many decimal is there in multiplicand? 1. How many decimal in multiplier? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you will move from right side. You will move from right to left and place the decimal after 2 places. Okay. So direction is from right side. Right side. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0, 1, place the decimal. 0.10 is the answer. 0.10 is the answer. 0.10 is the answer. Okay. Yes. Not 25 plus, no my dear, 25, not 25. 25 means 2 places, 2. You will multiply 25 and 25, then you will place the decimal after 4 decimals. Direction is right to left. Right to left is the direction. You have to move from right and place the decimal after. Okay. So number of, mute the microphone. Number of decimals in the product is equal to sum of the decimals of multiplicand and multiplier. How many decimal is there in the multiplicand? How many decimal is there in the multiplier? You have to add and place that much number of decimals from right side to the product. Okay, let us see our exercise based on this. That is 4C. 4C. All are multiplication. While multiplication, we neglect the decimal and multiply. And in the product, we place the decimal. While multiplication, we neglect the decimal. And in the product, we place the decimals. Okay. So number of decimal in the product is equal to 4C. Exercise 4C. Okay. Now let us solve first. Multiply. First it is multiply. Multiply. Okay. Let us see. First question. 0.87 by 10. By 10. So this we write 0.87 by means multiplication 10. Wait. So this we write. See here, whenever it is multiplied by 10, you simply write this as 0870. You add 1 0 to the right. Whenever it is multiplied by 10, you add 1 0 to the right. Now, how many places of decimal are there? After point, 2 places. So now I have to place the decimal from right side after 2 digits. So 1, 1, 2. Decimal will be there. So what is that? 08, 08, 08.70. 08 is same as 8. 08 is same as 8. So answer is 8.70. 08 we write 8. Yes, mute the microphone. So whenever it is multiplied by 10, you add 1 0 to the right. That's all. And place the number of decimals. Okay? Recording. Shortcut technique. Whenever it is multiplied by 10, you add 1 0 to the right. And then place the number of decimals from right side. Okay. So let us see another. Let us see the second part. 2.948. 2.948 multiplied by 100. Okay. So what I will do? I will write 2948. Then I will add 20. Then I have to place the decimal from right side. From right side, after how many places? 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Decimal will come. 294.800. Okay? 294.800. Now 800 is same as 8. Answer is 294.8. Okay? These two zeros I can remove. 294.8 is the answer. Yes? Yes. Now third one. 6.4 by 1000. Chalo, let us see. 6.4 by 1000. So what I will do? I will write 64. Then 3 zeros I will add. Then from right I will place the decimal after 1 digit. I will place the decimal. So that is, this is 64. I will place the decimal after 1 point, after 1 digit. 6400.0. 0.0. That is same as 6400. Okay? 6400. Yes, following. Now fourth is 5.8 by 4. 5.8 by 4. Should I give homework 5.8 by 4? No. So let me do. No, let me do it. 5.8 by 4. Because this is the beginning. So you should have understanding, better understanding. Then only we can give the homework. Now fourth is 5.8 by 4. 5.8 by 4. Let us see what it comes. So we remove the decimal. That is 58 multiplied by 4. 4 8s are 32. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 23. The answer is 232. Okay. Now you have to place the decimal from right. How many places are decimal? 1. So move from right and place the decimal after 1 digit. 23.2. 23.2 is the answer. The answer is 23.2. Okay. Then fifth one 16.32 by 28. So let us see what is the answer. No homework. 1632. While multiplication you neglect the decimal. 1632 multiplied by 28. Let us multiply. 8 2 is 16. 8 3 is 24 plus 1 25. 8 6 is 48 plus 2 50. 8 1 is 8 plus 5 30. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 12. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 3. Add them. So that is 6 9 6 5 4. 4 5 6 9 6. 4 5 6 9 6. Now you have to place the decimal from right side. So how many places, how many decimals are there? 2. So move from right. 1, 2. So answer is 456.96. 456.96 is the answer. Okay. The answer is, let me mute the microphone. 456.96. Yes, that is what. After certain time, the only remedy will be remove that. Okay. So Y's will come automatically. Clear. Chalo next. 6th one I am giving homework. Okay. 5037 503 5.037 5.037 by 8. Homework. Then seventh one 4.6 by 2.1. Let me do this. 4.6 by 2.1. Okay. Let us see what the answer comes. So first see how many places are there in the multiplicand 1. How many in the multiplier 1? So product will have 2 places in the decimal. Okay. You have to place the decimal after 2 digits in the product from right side. So 46 into 21 you multiply. 1 6 are 6, 1 4 are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. Add them. 6 6 9. So answer is 966. But you have to place the decimal from right side. After how many? 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2. No, 9.6 is my dear. See here, the number of decimal in the product will be, sum of the decimal in the multiplicand 1 plus 1, 2. So you have to place the decimal after 2 digits from right side. In the product, it will be sum of the decimal of the multiplicand and multiplier both. Okay. So this you remember. 9.66. Then 0.568 by 6.4. Let me do this. Okay. Let me do this. 0.568. This will definitely help you in chemistry and physics numerical problem. So there you will remember me. Sir has taught us multiplication of decimal. Okay. So if you want to make your physics and chemistry strong, learn how to multiply decimal nicely. Now 8th one is 8th one is 6th one is homework. Okay. 6th one 4.6 by 2.1 homework. So you can tell me in the product you will place the decimal after how many digits? 2 digits, because 1 plus 1 2. Yes. 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes. 8th one 0.568 by 6.4. Screen is clear. This is 3 and this is 1. So in the product you will place the decimal after 4 digits. Okay, let us multiply.